In this video, you'll learn about the new Quest 2 Active Pack, a fitness-focused accessory pack for your Quest 2 headset and controllers. The Quest 2 Active Pack includes knuckle straps and wrist straps to help keep your controllers in hand while you're working out in VR. The Active Pack also includes a wipeable facial interface replacement for your headset. This silicone facial interface is designed with exercising in mind and is easily removable for cleaning. Now that we've seen the new Active Pack, let's take a look at how to install the accessories for your Quest 2 controllers and headset. Before installing the wipeable facial interface, we recommend cleaning it using a damp cloth and mild fragrance-free soap. Be sure to wipe away any soap residue and allow the interface to dry before installation. Don't soak the interface and don't use alcohol, solvents, or abrasive cleaning solutions. Once your interface is clean, dry, and ready for installation, remove the existing facial interface from your Quest 2 by gently pulling it away from the headset. To install the wipeable facial interface, line it up with the headset and push gently until it snaps into place. To install the Active Pack knuckle straps and wrist straps, start by removing the battery cover from your touch controller. Slide the battery panel door down and off, then pull the existing wrist strap up and out of the wrist strap slot. Next, attach the smaller loop end of the Active Pack wrist strap over the knuckle strap connector. Install the knuckle strap by inserting the connector into the wrist strap slot on the touch controller, leaving the spring pin facing out. Loosen the knuckle strap fully, then slide the Active Pack battery cover into place. Adjust the knuckle strap and wrist strap to fit as needed. To remove the Active Pack knuckle strap, insert the plastic tab on the end of the strap into the spring pin hole on the Active Pack battery cover. Push in to activate the spring pin and pull down to remove the Active Pack battery cover. Remove the knuckle strap connector from the wrist strap slot on the touch controller. Reinstall the original wrist strap by inserting the connector into the wrist strap slot. Then replace the original battery cover. Remember to read and follow the health and safety information provided with the Active Pack knuckle and wrist strap before use, along with the information provided with the Quest 2 device. Not following the instructions and warnings can lead to injury or property damage. For more information, visit our support center at store.meta.com/help.